Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com, and today we are dynoing Cristian Coronado's 2012 Mustang GT. Cristian is one of our very knowledgeable customer care representatives, and he's been itching to get his car on the dyno. Fortunately enough for him and us today, we're gonna dyno his car. Now, he does have a laundry list of modifications, and I'm gonna rattle them off to you guys. So we're gonna start up top here. We got a 2018 Mustang GT intake manifold, 47-pound fuel injectors, JLT cold air intake, BBK long tube headers, an off-road mid-pipe, a Roush axle back, a Lund tune, and it is running E85. Now, a few months ago at the time of this video, Cristian, well, unfortunately, his stock bottom end let go on him. So he did install a Gen 2 long block, but he did use his Gen 1 valve train. 20-inch rear wheel out back, has a factory 2-piece drive shaft, and a 315 rear gear. And this is a first Gen 6 R80, so we don't have the sport mode. We won't be able to command its gear, so the gear we're gonna have to select is third gear. That's about a 1.5, 2-to-1 ratio. So give or take, those numbers may read a little bit lower than what they should. This car, being that it's kind of a Frankenstein car, really don't know the flywheel rating since it's a Gen 2 long block with Gen 1 valve train. So we'll just skip over that, and we'll get right to business. So make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're all good. We're gonna let it eat. All right, let's check out the numbers. They're pretty good. Cristian Coronado's 2012 GT made 409 horsepower at 7,100 RPM and 361 pound-feet of torque at 4,800 RPM. So needless to say, Cristian's very pleased. Of course, like any car guy, he's probably gonna turn up the wick, and we hope he does. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to our channel for more dyno videos and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And until next time, for all things 79 and present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.